Hey guys, welcome to another video. This week we're going to be talking about e.l.f. cosmetics. I definitely grew up with e.l.f. when I started getting into makeup. They were the first brand that I ever got into. Why? Obviously because they're cheap, and two, they have great options. Today we are going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup, so let's get started. I'm literally so excited to play with all this e.l.f. makeup. I haven't touched e.l.f. since I don't even remember, so I'm super stoked to kind of like renew my brain with all of its glory. So we're gonna start off with the e.l.f. primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. They actually have quite a lot of options for face primers, but I kind of wanted one that dealt with pores just because I have quite a few along my nose that I want to always cover up. Ooh, it came out white. I was not expecting it to be like white. I kind of just want to spread it all over my face. It doesn't have that great of a smell to it. It's not terrible, but it does not have a nice scented smell to it. If you use as much as kind of I did just now, this thing should last for a while. I believe this retails for $6. So it's not super cheap, but it's also very inexpensive. In my makeup routine, I really like to use setting powder after primer. I just feel like it really does change the way your makeup looks. So I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. Prime and Stay finishing powder in Fair Light. This was like $3, I think, so super very inexpensive. And yeah, I'm just gonna take that and lightly powder my face to try and get rid of most of the oil and just have it look a lot more flawless. So far, I feel like it actually covered my pores like really well along my nose. Next, I'm gonna go in with foundation. This is the Flawless Satin Foundation. I'm in the shade 120 Pearl. I chose this because it had neutral undertones. I tend to have cool undertones, so I thought maybe the neutral undertones would help. I don't know if it's my foundation, but it looks a little chunky. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks chunky. Rubbing it out seems fine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Now this does claim to be medium coverage. Again, the foundation kind of has a not great scent, but a not terrible scent. It almost smells chemic-y, but not. It's really hard to explain. I'm just gonna take a e.l.f. kabuki brush. Actually, I've had this for a really long time, so it's so funny that it's still e.l.f. But I'm gonna take their kabuki brush and blend this in. I'm not sure how much coverage it's actually giving, just because I feel like I can still see inflamed blemishes under my skin still, so I'm not sure I would consider this medium coverage. I would still consider it very light, almost like a BB cream. I may look a bit more pale, obviously, but this was the closest that I could come to the shade range that they had. I'm gonna try and deepen this up with their Sculpt and Shade palette. This is a contour palette as well, so I'm just gonna be using this baby. I might just do a mix of these colors to see how it works. That looks pretty good. Okay, I feel like that blended out really nicely. So that's actually all I'm going to use out of that palette, just because it is a contour palette. Next, we are going to move on to blush. I am just going to be using the blush that I believe is called Blushing. In the camera, it looks like kind of really tan, but it's just a very nice peachy, light peach color. Man, but there is a lot of kickback. Can you guys see color? Because I just feel like I saw a lot of shimmer. From back here, I can kind of see color, but man, there's a lot of gold reflex in there. Okay, so if you guys can see like that entire shine, that is due to the blush. And this one too, like that has, phew. I'm not sure if I really like the blush just because it gives so much gold reflex. I guess I didn't even notice, but now that I look at it, there's definitely gold reflex like everywhere. You can kind of see it like reflect gold. I'm not sure if I like that too much. I kind of would have just rather went for like a straight on peach color. And of course, this would not be a me tutorial if I didn't forget concealer. This is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. It is full coverage and matte. I'm actually really excited for this because I've been running out of concealer, so if this is a really good concealer, I will definitely be very happy. Oh my gosh, but it's a really big concealer, as well as the application. It reminds me of Tarte Shape Tape. But now I feel like this is darker than my foundation. Maybe I should have used this as my foundation. This is the color Light Beige, by the way. Maybe it blends out. That did not blend out. Should I have skipped concealer? Holy crap. I think I should have skipped concealer. This is like way yellow toned. It doesn't look as terrible anymore, but I don't know. I just don't know if I like it. So this one is new to me. It is called the H2O Proof Eyeliner Pen in Jet Black. We are actually gonna do eyeshadow first. I got this cute itsy bitsy bite-sized eyeshadow truffle. It's so cute. And with the colors, I kind of wanted to do a smoky eye. But look how cute and travelable it is. First color I'm gonna pick up is obviously black because we're gonna do, like I said, a smoky eye. Ooh, that's black. That went on really easy. There's little gold reflex in this as well. They just want to give sparkle to your life with everything, which is okay by me. So I'm gonna go in with this chocolate brown and I'm just gonna buff out the edges. Why do I feel like I just look like a failure? I'm just gonna be taking the lighter brown shade and blending that out. I kind of almost hate this. Let me add that pop of glitter to the inner corner. Well, it was supposed to be small, then it just kept going. Now it's over the entire lid. Now let's go back to that eyeliner and wing it out. Okay, I feel like that was relatively easy and there's a really nice sturdy eyeliner. I actually really like their H2O. I really like their H2O waterproof eyeliner. This was actually super easy and this is exactly the type of eyeliner that I was looking for. So that is definitely going in the keep pile. I really enjoyed that process. Next, we're gonna go on to our lashes. I got the Volume Plumping Mascara. They had, I think, 3 or 4 different kinds, but I got this one. Don't you just love that sound? We are going to do our lower lash line. I just took some black. I'm going to lightly smoke out the bottom. I have 2 more items to go. The second to last is actually going to be their Makeup Mist and Set. Ooh, it is like a pretty big bottle. Just a simple black one. I'm going to mist my face now. Here we go. Sometime this month, I will be misting my face. Does this even work? Oh, got it. But that was a really nice mist. It was really strong. Last step is lips. And I'm actually really excited for this lip color. This is actually their Lip Plumping Gloss in the color Mocha Twist. But I thought the color was so pretty and so cute. Ooh, I love how the wand is clear. Ooh, this feels thick. Kind of smells like cake. Ooh, it's kind of burning my lips. Is that the plumping part? It's not like a burn, but it's more like a refreshing, tingling sensation. If by the end of this video they look like that, then we know this is definitely a winner. I love the color. I think the color is so pretty. That is my completed look. What do you think? Going through the process that I went through, I'm gonna share a few thoughts. There are some products I liked and some that I kind of didn't miss at all. Do I believe that this is a fantastic line to begin your makeup journey with? Absolutely. I always recommend e.l.f. to people who are just trying to look to get into makeup, to just test the waters. I think this is absolutely the best brand to get into, just because, again, the pricing factor, and it it's always up to date with their products, and it's always reinventing their products or making new ones. So I really think this is a really great brand to introduce yourself or others to makeup. I love the fact that it is cruelty free and it is also vegan. That is something that is important to certain people, and so it is really amazing to have a brand, again, on the cheaper side that can be both of those things. The products that I liked the most were definitely the eyeliner, the setting spray, and the lip plumping gloss. The things that I didn't really enjoy, concealer. I feel like I just found it too yellow toned. I don't know, it was weird. I had trouble with the foundation. It was either too light or too dark, and I'm not sure I liked the smell on either of those things. I have mixed feelings about the little eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I love this color a lot. I feel like the shadows aren't super strong or super pigmented. I feel like they will sweat off very easily, and I don't know, I just feel like I have to keep reapplying them if I want them to stay throughout the day. So I'm not too thrilled on that. And the blush. The blush was a big one for me. I usually like my blush to be matte, and then I can give myself whatever type of highlight I'm looking for. So I definitely did not enjoy the blush. That's it for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have tried e.l.f. and love their stuff, let me know the products you love down below. If you don't like e.l.f., let me know what you don't like about it. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!